Right? This is a really big, I don't really know. I think it's a temple. I'm not really good at telling the difference between a temple and a shrine. Okay.
Roller skating escapade yesterday.
It was fantastic. Except for somehow yesterday, more than today, was just ridiculously humid.
Yeah.
So within minutes, I was just drenched.
I think it's been a very hot couple of days. Even like from my room, I can tell.
Oh my gosh, this place is huge. This is a bit more uphill than I anticipated, that's for sure.
That's right.
It's not bad, but the humidity is just, ugh.
Exactly. Like if it was like the day that we did the ginkgo, that one was still like pretty cool, I'd say.
Yeah,
Today's just hot.
yeah. It's hot and muggy. We're gonna hit rainy season early, maybe. It's hotter than it usually is in May, according to the internet.
It's like the same weather as Singapore.
It's what?
Same weather as Singapore.
Oh yeah,
Hot, humid.
sticky,
Yeah.
sweaty.
Yeah. Like apparently, it's been really hot in Singapore for the past few days, few weeks. And like, it rained a couple of days ago. Everyone was celebrating.
It's like in Utah whenever it rains, because being in like a valley, the air pollution piles up very visibly. Like it gets to the point where you can't even see the mountains because there's too much smog. But then once it rains, it's like Well, it's super clear because it like gets rid of all the smog. And then you can see the mountains again. But because it doesn't rain very often, it's like half of the year you just can't see the mountains, or not very clearly anyway. Yasumi Ishii? No, not Ishii. Iwa.
Something that is a rock, like the resting rock.
The resting rock.
Hell yeah.
This is my favorite rock.
I like that rock. I like how it rests. I'm inspired to do the same. Except for you're not allowed to go over there. Is that a well? Probably, maybe. There's an island over in between, I think it's called Awaji and Wakayama.
Yeah.
It's like a tiny little island. There's a bunch of like bunker ruins. I think that'd be cool to go to. But the real reason I want to go there is because I'm a weeb. And an anime took place on there. Same with Shodoshima, but I've already been there. I need to go back though, because I was only there for like 2 hours.
Why don't you like stay on
There's like 3 hotels, and every time I look, they're pretty expensive, so I haven't really been that motivated.
My mom is coming next weekend,
Oh.
so I have to. She wants to go to Naoshima,
Ooh.
so I have to plan something. For
Go. The ferry ride probably costs a round trip about 2,000 to 3,000 yen. No. It costed me
Like,
3,800
if my mom's
to bring
paying-
my bike.
If my mom's paying, I'm good.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay. There you go. There you go. I'll take this smile apart.
Yes.
Wanna go up there?
I don't know if there's anything up there. I guess maybe a view would be nice.
change the view after all of this. Okay.
I'm gonna walk up closer. Views like this don't tend to look that good on the GoPro. I've noticed. Yeah. Cool. Let's figure out how to get back. Mausoleum. What the heck? I don't want to go to. That's spooky. That's a nice car. Kudenkai
I guess we're going to the station, right? Kibitsu.
Kibitsu.
Yeah, okay.
Is that?